My name is Nivedita Ray Bennett. I'm an Associate Professor in Risk Management based at the University of Leicester School of Business. I'm also one of the founding presidents of the Avoidable Deaths Network. At Leicester's newly established Institute for Environmental Futures, Professor Gwen Jenkins and I lead the research challenge called Climate Risks. This challenge, Climate Risk, will focus on reducing the impact of disasters on humans and also on the economies. Especially the climate-related disasters have gone up due to global warming and climate change. For instance, in Bangladesh, where I work, the flooding is an annual event. I work in India, in the coast of the Bay of Bengal, and they have been experiencing tropical cyclones and their intensities have gone up. So I think this particular challenge will try to work with the different stakeholders, bring multidisciplinary teams and try to find solutions in terms of reducing the impact of climate-related disasters on humans and society. And we would also like to explore whether these understandings in terms of working with different stakeholders can be transferred in the mining sector and try to understand the causes and circumstances that lead to deaths in that particular sector. In Bangladesh, the objective of my research project was to improve the quality and availability of reproductive health care during disasters such as floods. So what we did, we developed a structured facility assessment tool. Using that tool, we assessed the capacity of 6 primary healthcare facilities of the government of Bangladesh, and we identified that about 26 to 27% of the health workers were untrained and were providing services. So we trained those service providers at the primary healthcare facilities. And during the time of floods in 2017, these trained health workers provided quality care to different women. Now all these trained health workers are providing quality services even after we have left the research site, which was in Bangladesh, in Belkuchu Upazila in 2017. For the past 10 years, I have been conducting evidence-based research. And evidence-based research are co-owned by the key stakeholders. And I think this particular method is very helpful in terms of developing innovative solutions for the society and for some of the most important key stakeholders in our context is the at-risk population. So engaging with key stakeholders, developing solutions with our stakeholders. I think these are some of the methods that we can use it in the mining sector and try to understand the causes and circumstances that lead to deaths in mining. The disasters will continue to happen, but through our innovative solutions, methodologies, and working with the key stakeholders, we can minimize the impact of disasters on socio-economically vulnerable populations, and we can also reduce the avoidable disaster deaths in low and middle-income countries.